Hi guys, thought I would share with you something today. Uh, Pay attention to the perch tower slash prime tower you can see on the build plate here. That's roughly the height that I'm going to talk about. Now I'm going to turn on a stream from my cell phone. Let's see, let me see if I can. That's upside down. Okay, so I have been having some weird print issues. If you can look at, let's see if I can get it into focus. The print quality looked kind of rubbish on this one. It's like weird marks, basically from the nozzle, and I just couldn't figure out what it was. The problem was that it wasn't consistent because on the other side it printed almost okay. So it was like one of the halves of the build plate was okay, and the other one printed like that. And I just couldn't figure out what was the problem. I tried to recalibrate and everything, and then I decided to try and print on the other side of the build plate. And the third side, I had one of these prime towers on the other side of the build plate. I almost killed myself laughing. That prime tower is like half a millimeter to a millimeter big, and yeah. A little bit of embarrassment there, but if you get weird stuff like that, check both sides of your build plate. That's it from me today. Have a good one.